Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, after a long time, I will be watching an older Malayalam song. So, this movie came out in 2003. The movie name is Swapna Koda and it has like a huge star cast. And the song that I will be listening to is called, okay, I'm probably going to butcher this name. So, the name of the song is Karuppinadakku. Karuppinadakku? Probably, or maybe I'm like, totally not pronouncing it correctly. But so the music is given by Mohan Satara, singer Jyotsna, Pradeep Babu, Rajesh Vijay, and this movie was directed by Kamal. So yeah, the song has subtitles. Thank you to Jatin, and let's listen to the song right away. So Bhavna, one of the actors, one of her movies is going to release now. Like it's been said that that's her comeback film. Karuppinadakku. I was a little correct. Sorry, I did not see the subtitles. Black and its beauty. Okay. You don't see like two friends singing like that kind of like female friends songs are quite rare. The only other song which comes in my mind where there are two female friends kind of like jamming and singing is that Hindi song Piya Piya O Piya Piya. Oh no, we have the actors also here. My god, Prithvi Raj with that French beard cut. Were there two heroines and three heroes? Huh? What's the deal? Why are there three heroes and two heroines? Tell me this. I think at this point they don't know each other, like this group, or do they? Yeah, they're all kind of dancing separately, no?
മനസ്കത്തൊരു മോഹിനി കുറുക്കനെ കറക്കണ കിളിയല്ലേ കിളികളെ പോറ്റണ കൂടല്ലേ കൂട്ടിലെ കുറുക്കുത്തി മലരല്ലേ മലരിലെ മധുര തേനല്ലേ
You know, it's very visible. I'll tell you after the song. I like this melody. They chose really nice locations though for the song picturization. So one of the stories would be a love triangle. Huh? Is that the reason why there's two heroines and one hero? Okay, let me stop this. It's a nice chill song. So I don't recognize the third actor there. Of course, Kunchako and Prithvi Raj, though I know. But I was saying at that point of time, which I said that I'll tell you later, is that when like all three of them were dancing, but because I've seen Kunchako's videos of like his dance music numbers so much, you can literally make out that he's so much on beat. Because the other two actors, they're sometimes a little off, but because Kunchako dances so well, his steps are just so flowing naturally, and it's looking much effortless. But that's because he can dance so well. That's one thing. The third actor, please let me know who that was, because I honestly did not recognize him. The actresses, one is Bhavna, whom I recognized, and then the second actress, as per the description, it says it's Meera Jasmine. So I don't know how this movie fared in the box office. Please let me know. But the song was very chill. I would say that it's a very chill kind of song. And again, even though it's a chill song and it's probably a song, maybe it's an intro song in the film, but the lyrics are still just so beautiful, because it's all with these beautiful metaphors. And technically, when the female leads, the women are singing, it's talking about what they yearn to do, and probably they are yearning for nice companionship, because in the male leads case, all the three leads, they're singing that only from their perspective, right? So it's a song which is filled with hope, and it's something like they want to start this new chapter in life, and they are having a lot of hopes and dreams in their hearts, and they're just happy. They just are waiting to see what life has in front of them and what life will unfold in front of them, and they're very positive about it. So it's a very positive song, and I feel that it's a vibe which, when this song, when I was reading the lyrics also, this song sort of reminded me of what we kind of think every end of the year, and we start getting hopeful when the year ends and the new year is very, very nearby. And when the new year comes in, I don't know, there is a switch that kind of flips, where you feel that, there's so much possibilities of life and all. I don't know why I got that feeling for some reason while listening to the song. But I feel music-wise, it's a very chill song, not overtly complicated. I think that is what the music director was going for, because you're just supposed to feel good when you are listening to the song. And I like how, first I thought first I thought that this was just exclusively a song where we will have the female leads sing and their friendship shown and all of that, because you don't get those friendship songs too often. That's what I feel, because I have not seen too many. Honestly, I have not seen too many, even in movies. And if you ask me, essentially I've got grown up watching Hindi films. There aren't many. There are, but they're very rare that way. But here we have the female friends, the duo and the trio having their moments separately but in the same song. So I don't know how this movie was. Seems like a fun kind of film, because the movie is called Swapna Code, or something related to maybe dreams, hopes and dreams, something like that. Maybe that's why the song is kind of mirroring probably the title of the film as well. And this looks to me like an intro song. This probably is the first song of the film, but that's just guesswork. You guys can let me know in the comments. But yeah, I like that after a long time, because I'm listening to a Malayalam older song after very long, because there has been some significant gap that I've posted on the channel. So for me, I feel that it's great that I started with a very chill kind of number, and I really thank Jitin for subtitling it so beautifully, because his subtitle work really, I feel that the way he subtitles the songs, it really brings out like the perfect meaning of the song, and a lot of people have appreciated his subtitle work in the past. So thank you once again Jitin. So yeah, I think for me this was just a nice chill vibe kind of song. Nothing more, nothing less. That's what I would say. So yeah, that was my reaction to Karu Pinnaduku. And yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.